Welcome to my YouTube channel. We are connected from Witzenhaousen in Germany. I have a special guest today. Welcome to my program.
Thank you.
Can you introduce yourself to my audience?
Yes, I'm very happy for this invitation. My name is Camila Oliviera. I am a forestry graduate. I am an environmental analyst of the Ministry of Environment in Brazil. And I'm a alumni from Germany because I was part of the Managing Global Governance School Academy actually in Bonn in 2013, which is organized by the German Development Institute.
Okay, so what are you doing here now in Germany in the kind of winter time? You see the snowing and everything. So what are you doing here? Something about that.
Well, I'm here with my colleague and 23 other people from different nationalities participating in the summer school, although it's snowing, but about sustainable agriculture. So we had a lot of chances to interact with all the other participants and to learn about each other's work, and now we have a bigger network in our lives for future work and partnerships.
Okay, so we also want to know about your particular project interest, and I heard that it's an international one with Sri Lankan connection also. Can you explain about the focus or work you are doing as a researcher?
Yes, as an analyst of the Ministry of Environment, we are one of the coordinators of the project Biodiversity for Food and Nutrition, which is a project that was born out of a cross-cutting initiative of the Convention on Biological Diversity. And it's a global project involving Brazil, Kenya, Sri Lanka, and Turkey. So it was really good to find one of the partners of my project here from Sri Lanka. And it's a project that aims to help conservation of biodiversity and also improve nutrition and health of the population.
Okay, so finally, do you have any message to do to our Sri Lankan audience, particularly because you are in a very important, globally important issue? So do you want to say anything about as a message?
Well, first of all, I had the chance to visit Sri Lanka in 2014 with the project team, and I really loved your country, so I was very happy to be there. And second of all, our partners from the Ministry of Agriculture in Sri Lanka, they have a very nice work and a lot of partnership related to promoting native biodiversity and neglected species to improve the food and nutrition of the population. So if anyone watching this video has the chance of promoting and trying these neglected and forgotten varieties and species, please do so. You will be helping with the conservation of biodiversity and probably with your nutrition and health as well.
Okay. Camila, thank you very much. It was a great pleasure to have you, and also at the first interview. All the best.
Thank you. Bye.